No, actually you guys are both wrong. It's Kraays Family Farm.
Wait, what? What? That makes no sense. Okay, I guess we'll go with Kraays Family Farm. Okay then. So, this is a corn maze that is made entirely out of corn, I think. And it is the shape, this year, it is in the shape of Terry Fox's head. Yep. And so here are some singing pumpkins. The most intelligent pumpkins you will ever meet. Hi, this is Mr. Anyway, so there was a pumpkin smasher where there's a big bus that went on fire, and you have to take the pumpkins and throw it into there with a gun. And then there's this train thing, and it goes all around the cornfield maze, so you get a taste of what it kind of looks like. And then there's that horsey right over there. It's so much fun. Oh, and I meant to say shoot the pumpkin, not throw it. Oopsie. Bye, Dad. Then there's that slide house. It was kind of fun. And then in that yellow thing over there, there was corn, just like a sandbox, except only it was a corn box. And it was really fun too. And then there's a spider web, and I haven't gone on everything yet, which I want to go on everything, but awesome. Family Farm. I hope you like the pics, and just between us, me and Hailee kind of got lost in the corn maze. Yeah. What was your favorite part? Getting lost in the corn maze. My favorite part was feeding the goat. Yeah. Hooray! Hi there. This is my BFF Hailee, and today she's going to help me review Kraays Family Farm in Lacombe, Alberta. Hi. There are slides, swings, and jump pillows.
Pumpkin, potato crushers, food and candy.
Fire pits, animals to pet and feed.
Go-karts in the awesome corn maze.
Enjoy the pictures, and I rate this adventure 5 stars.
And I rate this 5 stars.
Bye!